Okay. This picture right here was in Life magazine, and it had the caption above it said Noah's Ark with a question mark. And Ron Wyatt saw this and decided to go to Turkey, where this is located, and to check it out. This is what he saw the first time he went over, but he couldn't tell much about it, so he came back to the United States. Now, while he was back in the United States, an earthquake happened, so he said, you know, maybe it damaged the boat, so he wanted to go back over there. Well, when he got there the second time, he couldn't believe his eyes, because what had happened was the earthquake had actually dropped the dirt and soil and debris away from the boat and left it sitting there ready for excavations. So it had actually helped. So at that point, Ron did laser measurement, and it measures out about 515 feet long, or exactly 300 Royal Egyptian cubits. Again, this is another photo of it, and you can just see how the boat is sitting there with the soil dropped away. And then he did some metal detector scans all over the surface of the boat, and everywhere there was a heavy metal reading, he put a cross-section of ribbons. And basically it laid out in the same general structure that you would build a gigantic boat. He did subsurface interface radar scans. I've been trained in 3D subsurface radar, which is a more advanced technology. What he had back then was the best in the time. But basically you can take a box, an antenna, and drag it over the surface of the ground, and you can tell what's underneath the surface for 30 feet or more based on the scans that it gives. With the new technology that I'm trained in, you can set up a grid in X and Y coordinates, run those scans, put it into a computer, and you get a three-dimensional cube. So we would love to go back and do that on this site. We've been working on permission, but we would love to go back and do that, to have everything laid out in 3 dimensions, 3D in a cube. So that maybe in the future we can do that.
You are working for that. You are working to go there and do the 3D dimension.
We are. It's the political situation in Turkey is very bad. They just don't give you the permits, the permission to do that very easily. They make you work for it. And so hopefully we'll get the permission, but it's hard. It's been hard.
Okay.